if you pay $500 for people to come, if you work for them, they give you $3 each person, and one person gives you $3. 500 people are there, so you get 1,500. But because you got 1,500, 500 is gone because you paid that much for them coming to you. So you get 1,000 in spare.
So that's your profit.
Yeah.
What happens instead of $3? Each of them gives you $300.
Each of them gives you $300. It will be two more zeros.
That's a lot of money.
That will become a billion.
That's a lot of money, isn't it? Yeah.